Your circle will always matter. Ang sarap sa pakiramdam na may kasama kang lumalakad sa buhay, ano? Ang sarap-sarap sa pakiramdam kapag may kasama kang bumubuhat ng bigat at alam mong hindi ka nag-iisa. Noon, hirap akong magtiwala sa tao. Hirap akong mag-open up. Hirap akong umamin na hindi nahuhusgahan ang mga kahinaan ko. Hirap akong magsabi ng tulong kapag hindi ko na talaga kaya. Pero ngayon, it's totally a different story. Now, I have my own circle. My circle is composed of imperfect people binded by God's love and grace. Dear, surround yourself with people that will remind you that no matter how messy your past is, God can make your stories around. We will get there, one at a time, far from perfect, but making a day-to-day progress. Hope you find someone who rallies with you, cheers for you, and waits for you to become even better. We will get there. With love and prayers, Noel.